Hello, good day engineers and students. Ang sagutan lang naman natin dito is voltage regulation, no, of a short transmission line, and take note na din natin that this transmission line is single phase. No? So basahin natin yung problem. A 10 kilometers long single phase short transmission line has 0.5 ohms 60 degrees per kilometer impedance. The line supplies a 316.8 kilowatt load at 0.8 power factor lagging. What is the voltage regulation if the receiving voltage is 3.3 kilovolts? And the answer is 16.94. So let us prove that. So in our per phase diagram, na siguro naman if you came from the problem number 1 no, ng ating mga videos, we already shown how to solve problems about short transmission line. So this is the load side and then papakita natin dito what is the impedance no ng ating line. So eto, ang ginagawa nga natin dito is per phase analysis. No. Take note natin no, since single phase, no need to divide square root of 3. So doon tayo baka magkamali no kung kayo ay nag-answer ng isang quiz or question. This is a single phase, so no need to divide square root of 3 sa ating mga solution. So this will be our sending end voltage. Nandito ngayon yung receiving end voltage natin which is equal to 3,300 volts, no? 3.3 kilovolts. Dito rin sa ating load side, no? Dito sa ating load, we have the total power which is 316.8 times 10 raised to 3 watts, di ba? That is the kilowatts. And then the power factor is given as 0.8 lagging. And then for our line, we have the impedance. So the impedance of our line is 0.5 ohms, angle 60 degrees per kilometer. So ang unit nito is ohms per kilometer. And then there is the flow, di ba, ng ating current. So by the KVL, understood no na if we will be solving for the Vs, this is equal to VR plus the current times the impedance of the line. Also, we are solving for the percent voltage regulation. So ano nga ba yung formula ng percent voltage regulation natin, engineers and students? That is the magnitude of the sending end voltage, ima-minus natin yung magnitude ni receiving end voltage divided by the magnitude of the receiving end voltage. So in this problem, ito yung karagdagang formula na gagamitin natin. So after nating ma-finalize yung dalawang voltages, the receiving and the sending end, isi-solve natin yung voltage regulation. So let us now substitute. Now from the KVL, we can now solve for the Vs. Ang Vs natin is equal to the VR, 3,300 volts, plus the current. So how can we show the current? So isisingit pala natin ngayon sa part na to. Saan manggagaling yung current natin? So ang panggagalingan ng current natin syempre is the power. From the power that is equal to VIPF. So again, hindi present ang square root of 3 because we are considering a single phase transmission line. We can show that the current is power over voltage and power factor. So solving pala sa current, sa ating load, from our load, we have 316.8 times 10 raised to 3 watts, di ba, sa ating load side, over natin yung voltage sa load side, 3,300, also 0.8 PF lagging. Do not forget the angle. So the angle is negative arc cosine of 0.8. So sanay na ba tayo sa part na to? So di ba itong part naman na to is nanggaling yung negative because of the lagging power factor, and also ang power factor kasi is equal to cosine theta. So kung maglalagay tayo ng theta dito, i-arc cosine natin, di ba, yung power factor. And this is for our letter I. And then finally, let us multiply the letter Z, 0.5 angle 60. Di ba, ang pinapakita nating letter Z dito, ang unit niyan, engineers, huwag niyong kalimutan, ohms per kilometer. So in order to solve for the total impedance, we must multiply the length of the transmission line, 10 kilometers. So here we have 10 kilometers. Magka-cancel na yung kilometers. And therefore, we can now solve for the sending voltage. So again, by the pattern, we have the receiving end voltage. Ipinakita natin paano sinolve yung quantity ni current, di ba, with the angle. And lastly, for our letter Z, ito, pinakita din natin how to solve the total Z. So by the multiplication of the distance lang naman. So 3,300 plus 316.8 kilo over 3,300 times 0.8. And then for the angle, we have a negative arc cosine 0.8. Multiply natin yung 0.5, angle 60, pero dapat nakamultiply din si 10 because that is the length of our transmission line. This is the rectangular form, and then shift to 3 na para makita natin yung magnitude. So the magnitude is 3858.97, 3858.97, while the angle of the sending voltage is 3.5. So 3.5 degrees. Now in this case, since we now have the magnitude of the Vs, pwede na tayong mag-final answer. So solving now for the first percent voltage regulation, the magnitude of the Vs is 3858.97. The magnitude of the receiving end is 3,300 over the magnitude again ng ating receiving end, 3,300. So i-times natin by 100%, no, para percent na yung answer natin. So 3858.97 minus 33 over 33. And then times 100, the answer in percent is 16.938%. No, 16.938%. So this is our final answer, and we proved that the answer is 16.94%.